Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to manage our permissions on ULEFONE Note 18 Pro. Firstly, go into the settings. Now scroll down and go into privacy. Now go into permission manager, and let's say we would like to change some permission for calendar. So we go here, and these apps are not allowed to access calendar, and you can change it very easily just by tapping on the app and then changing to allow, and also you can do it back. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.